Hello, everyone. Are you wondering which doctor to see for cracking joints? Let's explore. Cracking joints can be caused by a variety of issues, including joint problems, muscle tension, or underlying medical conditions. It can feel like popping, cracking, or snapping sounds in the joints. For cracking joints, you should see an orthopedic doctor. An orthopedic doctor specializes in treating bone and joint problems. They can examine your joints, take x-rays, and provide a proper diagnosis. Orthopedic doctors can treat a wide range of joint problems, from osteoarthritis to tendonitis. If you have cracking joints, it's best if you visit your family doctor first. Your family doctor would be able to examine your cracking joints and refer you to the correct specialist. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.